this is Raman Gill. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today we'll take a look at a RailRoad reversal setup. A RailRoad reversal setup is a reversal pattern where we're looking for price to reverse the previous move. So price comes into a support or resistance level and then bounces off of that level. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at how to identify this trade setup, where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and most importantly, how to exit the trade with a profit. We're looking at a RailRoad tracks trade setup. This is pound US dollar 1 hour chart. A RailRoad tracks trade setup is when we have two candles that are approximately the same size. One candle will be in the direction of the previous trend, and then the other candle is in the opposite direction. So that's the second candle is the one that we are looking at to take our trade based on. So in this case, as we can see, price has been coming down. So trend is to the downside. Price comes into this previous support and resistance area, and we get a bullish candle here. Both of these candles are approximately the same size. So if we were to place one on top of the other, the green candle on top of the red candle here, it would completely overtake this candle and we wouldn't be able to see the red candle here. So that's what we are looking at. RailRoad tracks basically price going one way and then quickly reversing direction, and we get the candles that are approximately the same size. So once we see this bullish candle here, this is a time for us to enter the trade. So we can enter the trade on close of this candle. Our stop would go below this pin just in case price comes and retests it. So we need to give our trade some room to breathe. Once we enter the trade, we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving higher. And then once we see that the price comes into this support and resistance area here, we can exit our trade because price is just going sideways now and it hasn't really gone much further. So that's our cue to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 96 pips in the trade. So just to recap, a RailRoad tracks trade setup is where one candle goes in one direction and the second candle goes in the opposite direction of the previous candle. So basically the two candlesticks will look like the railway tracks. Once we see this bullish candle here, we can enter our trade long. Stop would go below the pin here and we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving higher. Once price starts to go sideways, it's time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 96 pips in the trade. So our profit is 96 pips or $960 if trading one standard lot. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you would like to see more great trade setups like this one, I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.